La réalité, le porteur du canari enflammé, depuis le matin, sillonne toute la ville et il n'est pas dire que
Yahaya Bello the White Lion, as he is popularly called, has resorted to voodoo in his struggle against EFCC, possible trial and jail term. He has started to gather voodooists and herbalists from across West Africa for the titanic battle, the god Vodun of the West African Yoruba people who lived in 18th and 19th century Dahomey, date back 6,000 years in Africa. Vodun is a religion of many traditions. Each group follows a different spiritual path and reveres a slightly different pantheon of spirits.
Voilà.
Aux officiels de vouloir commencer à avertir leurs différents conducteurs pour le positionnement des véhicules. Pendant ce temps, pendant que les officiels vont s'ébranler pour l'homicide, la fête va continuer ici. Les officiels vont rendre autour de midi 30 vers 13h. Après, on fera le tour de la visite du palais de Dada ou non, à 15h. À 15h également, nous aurons
The latest expose on Yahaya Bello comes from the chairman of the Economic and Financial Crimes Commission, Ola Olukoyede, who revealed that the former governor of Kogi State, Yahaya Bello, transferred $720,000 from the government's coffers to a bureau de change before leaving office to pay in advance for his child's school fee. He said, a sitting governor, because he knows he is going, moved money directly from government to bureau de change, used it to pay the child's school fee in advance, $720,000 in advance, in anticipation that he was going to leave the government house, in a poor state like Kogi, and you want me to close my eyes to that under the guise of I'm being used? Being used by who at this stage of my life? The chairman of EFCC stated that he personally reached out to Bello, offering him a chance to clarify the situation in a respectful setting within the EFCC office, but the ex-governor reportedly declined to cooperate, citing fears of harassment from an unnamed woman. The EFCC boss added, I didn't initiate the case, I inherited the case file. I called for the file, and I said there are issues here. On my own, I called him, which I am not supposed to do, just to honor him as an immediate past governor. Sir, there are issues. I've seen this case file. Can you just come let us clarify these issues? He said, Ha. Thank you, my brother. I know, but I can't come. There's one lady that has surrounded EFCC with over 100 people to come and embarrass me and intimidate me. Bello was said to have suggested that the EFCC come to his village rather than conduct an investigation at the agency's quarters. I said if that is the issue, I'm going to pass you through my own gate, and you will come to my floor. We will accord you that respect. I will invite my operatives, they will interrogate and interview you in my own office. What could be more honorable than that to allay the fear? You know what he said, thank you, sir, but can't they come to my village?
bembem oida oni oida ni ya Bello me oida no bere o ba se ho no e o yo no se ho na han e wo mori oyin no oida isi to ra so oli EFCC anyi ya de ge akabe amaro ke ba da gbere yi akọ de ke che ani kwa chiri ni ya badura agada na aje na o mori oyin no e ma ka oyi wo no mori wonya ani kwa nchere wa na mere no ni ya Bello are hore ara ya Bello no do bare ma do ba me president Nigeria oyi wo no mori wonya ani kwa nchere ise ko ne ba ono ba so ya Bello no iso no ani kwa nchere no na so ya ari o no na so ya ari so no bale bi saka ana kwa ete ni no ngela na ge e wale wa jen e wore wa jen kata e dia sen ati le enworo abi lo ni patakata na wa member na do de patakata na wa abi wa ewe ni ihuna ne na ke ya Bello dai ko du ya no wa se ka ni bola enworo oni yesu enworo no ibe ere ni ya Bello wana wa ka ire do wa ma do na me president do na president in Nigeria o mori na owo wa me governor dodo anaba 8 years an amen enyi se ba me enwe na enyi se ni ti ma na ya Bello na o yi wo no mori wanya o ewu ni case an na ma do no le ba ye yo do wa ye ani kwa nchere oba ye ani kwa nchere tu wa yi abe ne ba ye e ma go wa ji na ane kure ku na wokogbo ile ya Bello no wa ri o ise ero kere no ba ri o eso no eso ere ba ren kana nya hono e ka anyi sa nenye amaye ska so tore won resu bore alikai anyi sa nyi e wo mori oyin ya yo ikutura ire ono ni reso ya Bello na ba ore ara bo ba ore ara ire ono ni anyi sa ba kanyo ise ero ko ni be jijo ozije wan nke sa ni no be win do ba ma e da sho kai o wa the president in Nigeria no we no mori ya ododo ijowa no wa me 8 years da ba ni ka wa horo wa enyi se ba da ka to mi jowo no 8 years o mori ba de iku a hotezo o iku ba ja o ne ma ya no na ka su inye bira o ya wa anya o ne se ko ba so na o wa pe wo ya hen enyi su me ya Bello o ma do no hon ka wa ba do yo no na wo ise ero ka he oni ba mo yenyo iso no ba mo yenya nwane ni mori wanya Kota wonu wa no do na ara do ma be tui ino ida ani kwa chere Abuja ona madura no ni tora ora son o ko gusa mesa me wa me o ikuna wa odo
Olukoyede added. The EFCC chairman has vowed to resign from his position if Yahaya Bello is not prosecuted. The EFCC is seeking to arraign Bello on 19 counts bordering on alleged money laundering, breach of trust, and misappropriation of funds to the tune of 80.2 billion naira. The stage is set for an epic battle between voodooism of Yahaya Bello and the powers of Pastor Adeboy of the Redeemed Christian Church of God.
Yes.